How to fix message doesn't exist problem easily and fast on Telegram app. So, first thing you want to do guys is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, go to the apps like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is scroll down, scroll until you find Telegram, and when you find it you have to click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to this page. This is the app information page. And what you want to do here is click on notifications. Now, right here, make sure to enable all those notifications options right here. Go back, click on the storage. This is the most important step. Click on this clear cache and then go back, click on the stop or the force stop running the app in the background of your phone. Now, last thing you want to do, click on open by default, click on open supported links in this app, click on always allow, and that's it. Restart your phone and reopen Telegram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.